Well, the drought story a few minutes ago is not good news.
It's depressing.
Obviously,
Yeah,
it is. But I don't want people to be confused into thinking that we're talking about a non-stop drought for another 10 years. The drought from the mid-40s to the mid-50s is called a 10-year drought. But we have intermittent flood periods in there. For example, in 1952, Lake Travis rose 56 feet overnight. In 24 hours, the flood was so severe that night. So the drought can end temporarily, but then kick right back in, and overall last a long time. So I don't want you to think, because it'd be real terrifying to think that it's just not going to rain again, right?
No more rain.
It is going to rain again, and maybe even before this week is up. We'll talk more about that in a minute. I'm going to show you these graphics for the last time, I hope, this year. Not the statistics. You saw this a minute ago. 88 the high today, 87 at ABIA. But these two graphics, the 90, 100-degree days is how I think this is going to go into the history books in 2011. I don't think we're going to have another 100-degree day. We've never had one in history this late in a calendar year. And if you weren't paying attention over the weekend, you might have missed this. This streak was broken Saturday. We had a high of 89 on Saturday, and so this is definitely in the history books now. We experienced 132 days in a row, 90 degrees or above, and that had never happened. Out there tonight, skies are mostly clear. It is 88 degrees in the city. At 8 o'clock tonight, down to about 80 to 82. And at 10 o'clock tonight, around 73. Another wonderful night. 81 right now in Fredericksburg isn't bad. It's 88 in Llano and 86 degrees in Burnett. Around the metro area, Dripping Springs at 85. It's 85 in Leander, 84 degrees up in Georgetown, 85 in Bastrop, 84 degrees down in Luling. In the city, 88. At the airport, it is 87. The air is still pretty dry at 21%. The winds are turning around to the southeast now, so our moisture content in the atmosphere will be headed up in the next couple of days. Sunset 7:13 tonight. Mold count today still high, but down over 1100. Ragweed medium and Fall Elm 18 low there. Around the state, most everybody in the 80s. Pretty nice day statewide. Hardly a cloud in the sky anywhere in Texas today. But our first autumn storm system is headed into the Pacific Northwest, and by first, I mean the first big trough of low pressure to move out of the western United States across the Rockies. We haven't seen that happen all summer. And there it is, beginning to take shape in the northwest. This low is going to track down our way, and then it's going to shoot up into the northern plains. We're used to that scenario. So what that typically means for us, and what that will mean this coming weekend, Saturday, Sunday time frame, is that we could see some scattered rains in our area. Not a guarantee that you'll have rain at all. 20, 30% is the probability right now. Some computer models say higher than a 50% chance in our area. More widespread rain, maybe several inches, from the Panhandle to the South Plains up into Oklahoma. Now, what does that mean for Dallas? Cotton Bowl on Saturday, Texas, Oklahoma. We'll be tracking that forecast for you all week. Right now, it doesn't look like much. 20%, 30% chance of rain, and temperatures probably in the mid-80s up there. But at least we have a chance, although I don't think it's going to be bringing us the kind of rain we really need, the kind that would fill the lake in 24 hours. There you are looking at temperatures tonight. Boy, it's going to be just wonderful again in the morning. Lows in the 50s in most areas. Highs tomorrow, probably a little closer to 90 degrees tomorrow than we have been. 59 overnight. Skies clear with south-southeast winds. They'll be light. Let's go 90 tomorrow. Southeast wind 5 to 10. And lots of sun, just like today. And then we're back into the low 90s for several days. The morning temperatures start trending up too as we start getting a good flow off the Gulf of Mexico that'll take us into the weekend. But that'll also supply us with the moisture that could give us some showers again in that Saturday, Sunday, Monday time frame.